Are you done with wishing for wealth and ready to actually grab it? Sick of watching others level up while you stay stuck in the same place? It's time to wake up. It's time to turn those dreams into a stack of 100K bills. Picture it. That Lamborghini roaring down the street. It's you at the wheel. That penthouse view overlooking the city. That's your home. Private jets, designer threads, the world at your fingertips. Sound impossible? It's not. But it's not. For those content to play it safe, to settle for good enough. They'll tell you that you're young, that you should wait your turn. They'll say it takes decades to build that kind of wealth. They're liars. Or worse, they've given up on their own dreams, and they want to dim your fire too. Here's the truth. You have a hunger inside you, a burning desire to break free from the ordinary. That hunger, that's your fuel. I'm here to show you how to turn that hunger into a relentless drive, into the mindset and the action that unlocks your first 100K and then so much more. Point 1. Change your mindset. Listen, your first 100K, that's not about some magic formula only available to the lucky ones. It starts here. The winners and the whiners, they have different operating systems. Ditch those loser thoughts. I'm too young. I need a degree. I'll never catch a break. That's weak. Winners say, I'll figure it out. I'll build the skills. I'll make my own breaks. Because the truth is, your mindset is your most powerful weapon. Think like a loser. Get loser results. Think like a champion, and your success becomes inevitable. The choice is yours. Which mindset will you choose today? Point 2. Take massive action. You want to see those commas in your bank account? Then get up, get moving, and make something happen. Action separates the dreamers from the doers. Every wasted hour on Netflix, TikTok, pointless drama, that's an hour stolen from your future empire. Time is your most precious resource. Are you going to spend it or invest it? They say, talk is cheap, and it's true. You can have all the perfect plans and the biggest dreams, but without relentless action, it's worthless. Every day you hesitate is a day you fall further behind. Every step you take, even a small one, puts you ahead of the pack. So ask yourself, will you be the guy who talks a big game or the guy who makes the big plays? Point 3. Find your moneymaker. Not every hustle leads to the top. Find the thing that sets your soul on fire and lines up with what the world needs. Freelancing, e-commerce, learning to code, whatever it is, if you've got the passion and the market is hungry, that's your path to profit. Don't fall into the trap of chasing someone else's dream. True wealth comes from unleashing your unique abilities, the things that make you stand out. Discover your zone of genius, and the money will follow. Point 4. Embrace the grind. Let's be real. This journey ain't gonna be a red carpet stroll. You'll hit walls, have doubts, want to crawl back into bed, and forget this whole crazy ambition thing. That's when you remember why you started. Pain is temporary. A fat bank account is forever. Push through, and that struggle forges your iron will. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every obstacle is an opportunity to prove to yourself just how unstoppable you are. Average dudes fold under pressure. Champions? They use it to forge diamonds. Embrace the grind, and it will reward you tenfold. Point 5. Invest in yourself. The smartest investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks or real estate, it's in yourself. Knowledge, skills, and connections are your true wealth multipliers. Don't be a cheapskate about leveling up. Courses, books, mentors, anything that accelerates your growth is not a cost. It's your path to complete domination. Those who stay stagnant get left in the dust. Those who relentlessly invest in their own potential, they build empires. The choice is yours. So here's the deal. Will you keep dreaming, or will you start doing? Will you accept mediocrity, or demand greatness? Those first 100K, they're waiting for you to claim them. This is your wake-up call. This is your moment to step into the life you truly deserve. If you're with me, like this video, subscribe, And let's build an army of unstoppable young men who turn ambition into riches. If you're ready to join a movement of those who refuse to settle, who are turning ambition into riches, then smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let's build this together.